The revolution begins today. The day you truly take advantage of the #1 internet sales weapon that communicates, engages, and converts your prospects into happy customers through a deep emotional connection. And I'm talking about interactive video funnel. The fact is, people actually prefer watching videos just like this.
Hey, welcome to VidEngager. I'm excited to show you how easy and fast you can start building leads and make money really quick. With building video funnels like this, that makes you money on the go. For a second, fill up the form to the right-hand side and see how it takes you to yet another money-making opportunity.
Next, just like the video instructed. And now let's see what happens next. Boom.
Wow, you got it to this point. I believe you are already enjoying your use of VidEngager. At this point, you can notice the call to action countdown, which is a strong psychological trigger to make any visitor take your required action on your page. When you click on the button link, notice it will take you to a webinar page that you can easily make 3 figures per sales conversion. Interestingly, this is just a glimpse from the wide range of possibilities you can get using VidEngager.
Wow, so we always say anything. Once you click on this two-step video funnel, you can now use it to promote your affiliate link, which you can also use to promote high-ticket offers that will land you an easy 3 figures in your promotions. That's exactly what results you can get using VidEngager. So once we hit on, go watch this live training before it's taken off. Wow, it takes you straight to the webinar page, which has your affiliate link embedded on it. So that's exactly what we're saying here. So what we're saying here, so right away, you can have your website visitors come visit this link. This setup, you can have it on already existing website, or you can go create it and have your own unique URL page, video landing pages, which you can use to create these funnels to share virally across your social platforms. So let's dive in further to see how we can handcraft this directly from the dashboard. Here we are on VidEngager dashboard. Let me just quickly log in. On the setup here, you can see our video funnels. We can create video emails. We can also create video pages. You can also get to see your entire responses. Of course, the analytics helps you to know how your funnels are performing, how your video campaigns are performing. You can see all of the setup. And of course, you can see your video funnels, your responses, the video email, and you can connect to your email service provider. You could also have your reseller account or your white level offer where you can make some more money. So let's go create exactly the funnel we just saw in the intro of this walkthrough. Let's say we come over to say create a video funnel. I can create several folders, but let me work with an already existing folder. I just want to hit here. It brings me in. All I need to do is hit on create video funnel. So I want to create this a new name, so I'll call this demo funnel, and I'm saying I want to collect details. I can set this up in my choice languages depending on what I want to set up. So I hit on create campaign. So to get started with our funnel step, we just hit on this plus sign here, and it will automatically add the next step for us, which is just probably the end of the funnel step. We'll come back later and see how to keep expanding it. All right, so once you want to edit your funnel setup, you click on here and it takes you to the page for you to edit it. So in here, you can give your funnel step 1 a name. Let's just leave it as step 1 so you can follow the process. And right here on your answer, we have options on open-ended questions and AI chart, multi-choice, button, calendar, your NPS score system that helps you to check your net performance scores, your file upload, you have payment options, we have timer, we have map. Right, so we leave it the way it is, open-ended, and we want to collect forms. Next, we switch over to the video to get our video set up properly. if you're not shy on camera, you can get camera set up and you can video yourself welcoming your website visitors, which you want to convert to paying customers. Or if you're camera shy, you can switch over to using our AI avatar, which is top notch. So all you need to do, come straight here, pick up any of the actors we have right here and set it up. Right over here, what we did earlier, we used Caro, but I would want us to switch to use Aliyah, or we could use Veronica. All right, so let's use Veronica this time. So at this point, we've selected Veronica. You just need to come up again and select next. And it's going to ask you to pick your choice voice. So let's just say we look here for any of the female voices. We used Bella before. So I want to use, let's say, Isabel. I want to use Isabel, and you can click to respond to listening to the voice. If I don't know what it is, let's just select it. All we need to do is go up again and hit on next. So at this point, you need to give it your prompt, what you want it to say, the content of what you want your avatar actor to say. So our actress here already have the content I want to give it. So I just paste it, which is exactly what we had earlier. So we could just say, hey, welcome to VidEngager, I'm excited and all of that. So once I do all of this, I hit on generate. So you can see it's adding finishing touches and it's almost here getting it set up for us. You see a video is generated, you see?
Hey, welcome to VidEngager. I'm excited to show
So hold it at this point, we'll see a final review of this. So we scroll down and we want to select where we want the video to be. So we want to centralize it. If you want to set a video up overlay, you can do that. You can see our setup is already fully set up. Now you can close this. Already we have one video step. You can always preview this and see how it looks like. So once you have here, you have the preview mode or you have the live mode. So once you hit on preview, this is how exactly it comes through. So we're on preview mode. Once you have this, you can fill the form. Of course, we're just on preview, you can get to see how it performs. So we'll come back and put the next funnel step. Now on the next funnel step, we just hit here. It adds another funnel step for us. This time we want to make this to be we also can upload a video or you could use an AI avatar. So I still want to use an AI avatar. So we come down here and we choose Veronica again. We come up here and we go hit on next. Again, we want to go select the voice option, which we did select earlier. So we have Isabel we used earlier. So come over here, select Isabel. Great. So we come up again and hit next. Same, we want to add a content, already had a content here, which I want to add, which will also take us to the webinar and all of that. Say, hey, welcome and see how this works out. So I hit on generate. So we have a video generated here. That's it.
You got it to this point. I believe you are already enjoying your...
So we got it to the point and we want to switch over to our answer type option. On this funnel, we want to set it to our timer, which is more like a countdown timer. So we'll switch it to this point. So I want to pick a set date. I could just come over, pick a set date over here. Let's just have it the way it is. Come over here, pick an end date. So we'll just have it anytime it is. Great. So you expected to type in your call to action URL here. So this could be your affiliate link. You could get it from any of the affiliate platform or any of the CPA platform you are using, or just about any URL at all you want to send your visitors to. So just come over here, drop a URL right there. And on my go to text, this is the button level, your call to action level, which will be shown here. So I will say, hey, go watch this webinar before it's taken. All right, so you got it there for it's taken off. So if you want to add additional text, you could just say, Please not. No. Please. Now, right? So once you do that, you hit on save timer settings. Now we're not going to turn collect contact details because we already had that already done. So once you're done, you hit on close. Great. Once you finally set up your funnel like this is more like a two-step webinar setup. This is already done. You're ready to start making money. All you need to do is hit and click share. Once you hit and click share, you have the option to send it to an email directly, or you have an option to embed it on any of your existing website. So it could be your WordPress website or any script website. All right, let's quickly demonstrate how this works. If I'm sending this an email, this is what happens. It could just say reviewer says and select the email, and this is how it's going to look like. So once I hit on this, I hit and send, automatically the system sends out the mail. You could say invitation email sent successfully. Let's quickly see how it looks like. I'm keeping quiet. Please complete the next step. So you're invited. So it's quite engaging. Once you click on the link, it takes you to the next action required, which is the engaging page correctly, which is the entire funnel setup. Then you can have it copy the embed code and have it on your existing website, or you could come select your social share. You can have it shared across Facebook, you can have it shared across your Twitter pages, you can have it shared across LinkedIn, you can have it shared across WhatsApp. So imagine the tons of viral audiences you could have your funnel shared across. And what happens once it's shared across your social handles? You have millions of persons having to view your webinar, funnel page, or video funnel page that looks exactly like this.
Welcome to VidEngager. I'm excited to show you how easy and fast, for seconds, fill up the form to the right-hand side and see how it takes you to yet another money-making opportunity.
You quickly do that. Takes you to the next funnel page. So here, notice before it takes you to the next funnel page, you need to come over here on the setup here. You need to come over to what we call logic. So on setting up your logic is set up in your first funnel we have here. So in your first funnel, you select logic. In logic, we are setting this to take you to step 2. That's saved successfully. So at this point, if you come back again to our refresher page and fill in your form and hit on next, boom, it takes you to the next page. So that's how you connect your step 1 to step 2 to the infinite number of steps you may want to have. So the same thing applies.
Wow, you got it to this point. I believe you are already enjoying your use of VidEngager. At this point, you can notice the call to action countdown, which is a strong psychological trigger to make any visitor
how successfully got an ask done. So coming back to our VidEngager, you can close this down and see how it works. All the responses, you can come to see them right in here. Responses work best when you set up a funnel which you can use for candidate screening or candidate selecting, or you're looking at collecting testimonials, or you want to use it for some research and feedback. Let's quickly create a funnel that demonstrates this as well. Again, I'm going to video funnel. I'll just call this folder feedback. So I want to use it either for selecting selection campaigns, or selecting candidates, or recruiting, or we just want to get feedback for a campaign. So hit them here. So over here we give it the title, so we could just say video funnel feedback. Again, I want to create an end campaign. In this setup, I want to turn off collecting details. So I'm turning this off because I want to enable the text and audio. You can also enable video in this step. So just say enable text, enable audio. You could enable video as well. Let me just do this in case you're using it for recruiting purposes, or you want to select candidate for whatever purposes you want to use that for. So I'll come over here, create video. So I'm still using the AI avatar. On this section, let's use Gavin. All right. So selected that. I want to come over here on next. So let's just see what masculine voice can we have here. All right. So let's use Bruce. All right, great. So got that. Take it back up. Next, I want to put my content. So what we're doing here, we're excited to use VidEngager platform to conduct our final quarter for 2025 finalists for employment placement qualification. Kindly use either the video, audio, or text questions to tell us about yourself in 30 seconds. So that's it. So got that. I want to just copy this and have it, and I'll hit on generate. Again, our video is ready. All I need to do is select the middle point here, and once that is done, it's saved. I have my funnel ready. So what I need to do right now is for us to go check it out. So we come over here, preview. We want to see it in live mode. You can see here it's quite blank, so I just still want to leave an instruction. So what I will do next is come back here. I want to edit what we have here. So come back here. When you scroll down here, you can see this overlay text here. You can add some more functions over there, or you can switch over to your answer model here. Let's have it play here.
Hey, we are excited to use VidEngager platform to conduct our final quarter for 2025, finalist for employment placement qualification. Kindly use either the video, audio, or text function to tell us about yourself in 30 secs.
So all I need to do is come over here. You can use the text. Hey, I'm this and that. This excited. Boom, like I said that, I hit on continue, and it's going to load that. I can add as much text as I want to, or if it does get to another person and the person fills it up, the person could come to say he wants to use text to drop a message. I can just say start my audio. I can say, oh, I'm super excited because I want this opportunity for myself because I'm quite qualified for your position. I like this platform, thank you. So that's all. So I hit on stop, and it's going to process it. I can now hit on continue, and it loads it and send it back as responses. If another person picks it up, it's going to come over the option to activate the video. So once it does that, it takes the option for me to start recording. And once I'm done recording my video, it pushes it out. That's exactly what happens once you turn on your video. Once you reset all of this and turns it up, the video start recording, and you can also send it out. When you're done doing all of this, you hit on continue, you send it, you can then come back over here to check your responses. So that's where it comes back to you checking your responses right in here. That's exactly how this looks like. You can play a review and see it right in there. So again, we have seen the video email as well. On the video email, can do the same thing, create a new campaign. Some new campaign, we set a campaign title, set our email subject, set the folder, add a video, or use our email subject, and we'll push it up. So let's see how this rolls out. At that point of set up the campaign, I say, hey, check VidEngager in action. I've just uploaded the video. We have right there, and my email comes and say, hey, we just launched a new video funnel. Weapon, check it out. Cheers. So at this point, I want to add my recipients. I could say add recipients. I just type the emails, or I could say import from a video campaign or import from an Excel file. I can upload all of this. Meaning I could have my list of over 100 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, and use this solution to push out emails with my content to them. So all I need to do here is come select any of the flows I've set up earlier. So I think we did something on demo for now. So just come over here, select demo for now, and hit on import. It's going to pick the email we have there. Go to say one selected, and we have it right there. We can then come over and schedule at your own later time, or you could just hit create campaign and it pushes it out. Of course, once you send out, you can always come over here to see the action. I can see the video action over here right away. I can also come over to check the email. You can see the email just arrived. Say check VidEngager in action. You can see it right in my inbox. I can see the preview. This is how it comes. The demo campaign title. Here we just launched new video funnel. Weapon, check this out. So once I click on it, it takes me to the page. So right on this page, I could view the video, I could leave replies, I can, of course, reply to this video, drop my details, and the response is going to come directly to this email, which I've sent out. Here, I can just send a reply, and you see my response on my email. So great, it says response sent. I can also come reply to this user. So it makes the communication quite simple. You can also use this for support. So the functionalities that comes with VidEngager is quite huge. I can use this to run support for my agencies. That's really how huge this is. You can also compare this with other huge brands out there. We've really cleaned up all of this and made it quite powerful, which it can compete with other products out there. I could just say, oh, great. Hit and reply. So it just keeps the communication on and on. So you can see this now appears like a chat functionality right inside of your video page. And interestingly, if you have any need to change the template, the way it appears on the email, you can always come over here, select the option of change template. You can see we have a whole lot of template collections right inside of VidEngager, which you can switch to whichever one that best fits your need. So could just say, I want to see how playful looks like. I just hit on preview and get to see how it looks like. Right, so you could see the color on playful, the fonts are a little funky, and all of that. If you like it, you can come apply template, or you can go back and select whichever of it that does meet your style. We have it on classic. You can also come over here, preview how both look like. So this is exactly how both looks like. If you're cool with it, you apply. Or you can come over, still preview what we have here on Aqua. I think I'm cool with this. You can just preview it. Boom. If you're cool with what the display is like here, you just hit on apply template and then apply. So that also brings us to our video pages. Here with video page, all we need to do is create a new video page, and you'll see what exciting again you can do with video page. I can just give the video page to say watch the demo review or watch my walkthrough review. Watch walkthrough review of video. Just say I just did a video review for you. Go chicken. So once you come over here, all you need to do, upload your video. If you've done a video review, come over. You can have it on your Dropbox, wherever it is, or you can just pick it up from your local videos. So this content one here, I want to open it, and it's going to process it. Video successfully uploaded. I just need to come straight down here, add my short message. Hey, go work this personalized video walkthrough. I did for you on viral reel. Let me know your thoughts. So you just say cheers. Great. So at this point, I want to add a call to action. So at this point, my call to action will also have my URL, which is my affiliate link as well. So I'm going to say go check it out, and I have my affiliate link right inside there. The same thing also applies. I could have emails from my campaign, so let's also still pick there. I can now pick from here and say imports. We have one importer right there. Okay, and I hit on create campaign. Boom. So we have it here. I could come here, view it. I can also preview how the video page looks like. So this is exactly how it's going to look like once received. Let's see how the email will push out to the recipients. So here we have here. So there's the video reply. So you can see all it needs to do is just click here to watch it. So you receive a personalized video. You see the walkthrough, and over here is your call to action that has your affiliate link, and once it clicks on it, it takes into the page where you can take action and buy from your affiliate product. So this is quite awesome. This is revolutionary. All of this you can get using VidEngager. So to start from, we'll go with VidEngager. You can come inside and explore a whole lot. This we did in under 30 minutes. There are more to VidEngager that you can get only when you get inside. Thank you.